Hello, Namaskar everyone. Welcome to Dhwani, which means sound in Hindi. We bring to you resonating sounds created by the actions of women innovators, leaders, experts, and entrepreneurs who are making a difference in their and others' lives. We share their stories to inspire and empower other women. Dhwani is an initiative of Innoberry, which is offering a platform for the women to voice their thoughts, struggles, challenges, achievements, highs and lows, and the journey that they have undertaken. I am Pooja Bhatia, a tech transfer, patent licensing, and intellectual property professional, and now your host for this show. Let's inspire and get inspired.
Hello everyone. Today with me is Swati. She is MPhil in chemistry, an attorney, and founder of One Stop Solution. And she is walking down the memory lane with me today on Memoria. Hi Swati, thanks for joining me today.
Hi Pooja, nice to meet you.
Swati, I am very interested in knowing your journey. How did it start? How did which year you were trained in and which batch were you of the Kiran scheme?
Yeah, so it had been a very nice journey, and I started my journey with the TIFAC in 2008. So that was our fourth batch, and I did not knew anything about TIFAC, nothing about this scholarship. But when I saw this advertisement in the Times of India, and I thought to give it a try, I filled the form and encouraged my friends and classmates also during my MPhil degree that better to fill this form and see what is this. Then we filled the form. We eight girls have filled the form and four got selected in the written exam. And in the
Wow.
interview, we two got selected.
Oh,
And it was like a roller coaster for us because our MPhil did not complete yet, and we were selected for TIFAC. So we used to visit to a TIFAC MPhil institute in Agra to complete our thesis of MPhil and used to work for TIFAC in the for the internship for the weekdays. So it was like for weekdays we were the TIFAC scholars and for weekends we were doing the MPhil degree.
so it was a dual thing for you. So
Yes,
definitely an
yes,
exciting thing, but I'm
yeah.
sure it must be a stressful period too, juggling.
Yeah, but we enjoyed that period. Like we had to complete our MPhil and we did not wanted to skip this opportunity also. So we had to sail in both boats at that time.
So Swati, where did you take your training? Were you trained at a
Yeah.
law firm or TIFAC itself?
No, I was trained with the CSIR IPMD, which is now IPD department. So we were trained there for 1 year, 11 months, I can say. And it was also very knowledgeable journey. We got to know what is patent, what is FER, what is like everything we got to know from there only. That was a hands-on training for us. And then after TIFAC, after TIFAC training in IPMD CSIR, I got selected for Lal and Salotra, and I was there for 4 years and got the training. There also, I got to learn about many things like patent prosecution in other countries like US, EP, PCT, China, Japan. So that was also a great thing for me. And like in CSIR, we were learning India, and in Lal and Salotra, we were learning different countries also. So that was an add-on thing for me.
So I would say your learnings have been a blend of institutional because CSR was more towards the institutional side, and at the
Yes.
law firm it would be more to different types of clients that they have. And
It
as you
was a very professional level. Yeah.
yeah, so then you have tasted both these sides, not just the
Yes.
institutional but the law firm working
Yeah.
side also. So
Mhm.
what were your learnings during these say the training period and the initial phases of your career?
Like we
One
were,
this prosecution.
yeah, so we were very new to this patent field. We were of the thinking that in TIFAC training we will be testing the compound, we will doing the lab work, but it was totally different, and that was very exciting to us. We were going through a different invention every each day. Like today we are working on some compound invention. Second day we are working on a composition invention. So that it was very exciting to me because being a I am MPhil in chemistry and I am B.Ed also, but I never wanted to teach because only because of the reason that I had to teach the same lesson again and again to the same class. So I did not want it. That's why I opted for TIFAC, and that was a good thing for me that I am learning a different thing every each day.
So that was really exciting for you. So are you still working in the field of IP, Swati? Are you not
Yes.
too?
Yeah, I am the founder of One Stop IP Solutions, and the name itself says One Stop IP. So this is a stop where you can get every kind of IP solutions, be it as a trademark or design or Indian prosecution or US prosecution or a maintenance of any patent in any country.
So as a founder, there are lot of many things that we do. You know, like when we are professional, there's a difference. We are limited to our own expertise. But as a founder, you would have to do a lot of many other things. So was that challenging for you?
No, I enjoy the challenges. I like whenever I feel that there is a stagnancy, like only patents I am doing, then I thought, oh, no, I have to do LLB. Then after LLB, I thought, why not to do AIB bar exam also. Then after AIB, I thought that if I am AIB is qualified, then why not to enter into trade field also. So that has been a like a step by step, but yeah, I feel that being a founder, I if I get to learn anything, I will be learning.
So at One Stop IP Solutions, Swati, you said you are offering every service that an innovator may need. So are you
Yeah.
also working with academic institutions and startups, or do you cater to innovators per se?
No, no. We work for every kind of candidate, like be it as a company, be it a startup, be it as a institute or a educational organization. But so we provide services for every kind of applicant or client, uh, and we don't make any difference for them.
Okay. So do you enjoy working in IP, or would you know if you were given a choice going back to doing your chemistry, would you opt for that?
No, no, no. I will be doing this only because, when I was doing TIFAC training, my scholar MPhil guide told me that you can skip the TIFAC training and join the PhD and complete the PhD after the extend the MPhil work to complete it as PhD, and then I can be a PhD also. So I thought that after PhD also I have to run for different jobs, and then so what is the point of doing PhD? So that's
True.
why I thought of continuing this journey with patents and different innovations. So I like to be in the field of innovations. Understanding different invention is also a very good thing. I find it very interesting.
Swati, if you were to give any tips to a younger version of yourself, what
Yeah.
tips would you give? What
So I
suggestions would you have?
Yeah, that is a very nice question. So I have been having around 15 years of experience in IP. So I had seen that yeah, there can be some improvements if I see my younger self. So be focused, be honest, and don't lose the hope. That is the mantra for being in this journey, and don't say no to any kind of work, whether you are a chemist and you are getting mechanical work, you are a biochemist and you are getting some chemical work. So you don't say no to any kind of work. You have to do any every kind of like innovation is innovation. You have to understand any kind of innovation if you
True.
are in this field. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. No, what you are saying is actually true because in innovation, you might get something that has a combination of chemistry with some other technical field. So you
Yes.
kind of run away from interdisciplinary innovation.
Yes.
So thanks, Swati. Thanks for sharing your journey and how and where you were trained. Adding on to the tips that you have given, what I have learned from you is, Swati, be open to any challenges. Don't run away from the
Yes,
challenges.
yes. Don't run away. Never run away. And if you are feeling that being like if you are a scientist or a PhD also, you if you are getting any work which is like a clerical, you feel that there is nothing science in it, then also you can take it and do it. It's not just that
Absolutely.
yeah, that if you are a scientist or like you being a science background person, you will take the work only from the science background.
Absolutely. Yeah, that is true. But thanks, Swati. It was really nice talking to you and inspiring to know your journey. I hope to have you again as a guest to talk about your entrepreneurial journey in detail.
Yeah, surely.
Thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for your time. Thanks for interacting.